Hi, this is Abhishek and this is my first video on YouTube. It's 2 a.m. and I'm half asleep, so please don't mind if something goes wrong. In this video, I'll be explaining the working of reed switch. What is a reed switch? A reed switch is a small electromechanical device having two ferromagnetic reeds that are hermetically sealed in a glass envelope. They range from zero point 0.2 inches to zero point 0.02 inches. Working of this reed switch is very simple. When brought into a magnetic field, the reeds which are ferromagnetic in nature will close, creating a switching function. You may notice over here, as the magnet comes close to the reed switch, the reeds close. Under the absence of magnetic field, the reeds open, causing the circuit to be an open circuit. Now I'll be demonstrating the working of reed switch. Now I hope you got some idea about reed switch. As I mentioned, this is my first video, so if there are any mistakes, I apologize. And any suggestions would be much appreciated. Thank you. Comment below and subscribe for more videos.